into this here because I just want to say, like, this is that old twist out from the last video, and it's been like almost 2 weeks and I still got definition. Let me give y'all a little 360 because baby. Looking good. I'm looking good. What's good? It's Dutchie Monroe, and I would like you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for whenever I post another video. You will be notified. But y'all, come here. Guess what I'm about to go do? Guess what I'm about to go do? I'm about to go on a little exploration, a little experience like no other. Because if y'all don't know, I live in New York City, right? There ain't no tourists around because of COVID. So I love to explore my city and, you know, learn new things. And if y'all haven't checked it out already, y'all need to go check out my video on the Museum of Ice Cream. It was like another experience. And you just got to go check it out and see what's there. Because it's lit. Like, I also heard that they closed down the Museum of Ice Cream in San Francisco. So if you're around those ways on the west side, baby, you gotta come over here to the east side. Now, baby, come here and see the Museum of Ice Cream. Go check out my video. But either way, let's get back into the matters at hand, right? So this excursion that I'm going on is in the Chelsea market, and it's called Celestial at Artechouse. It's all one word. So what they did, right? They took an unoccupied boiler room in the Chelsea market and they turned it into some sort of art creation. It was just unused and unoccupied. So this creation was founded by like a couple of art advocates named Sandro and Tati, and they dedicated themselves to showcasing artwork by groundbreaking artists who work with new technology and new forms of expression, right? So there's 3 locations. There's one in DC, here in New York City, and one in Miami. This experience first opened in DC in 2017. Then the next year went to Miami. And then the next year in 2019, they brought it here to New York City. Now, what this experience really is, right? It's like a show of work that brings the best representations of the new art forms that include science, culture, and technology. Hence as to why they call it Artechouse. Yeah. And me being an artist, shout out art and design, me being a creative, coming from my art school, I could say that's pretty impressive to see such things like this pop up in my city. They give a platform to some of the best digital young emerging artists. They give them a space to push the boundaries of what's possible and reimagine ambitious, unique presentations of work. So basically what this consists of is like a big ass room that's like a big TV, and they have laser projection technology all up on the ceiling showing some creative stuff going on. So what's pretty dope about it is that Artechouse will be the first cultural institution to integrate the largest seamless megapixel count, with every pixel coming alive in the widest color spectrum. And to make it simpler, think of like photographs or movies. Photographs have pixels. This video I'm making has pixels. Your TV screen has pixels. Anything with like a resolution will have pixels if it's showing images. This art exhibit will have the biggest movie room you can find. There'll be stuff moving all over the entire room. All the walls will have some type of graphic thing going on. You know I'm about to like that because I'm going to be high as shit. What makes this even more dope is that it has sound with the graphics. So it'll be showing all that. And it will have the first of its kind to incorporate the immersive hyper-real sound technology. So I think it'll just be better to show you instead of using all these big words to explain the exhibit, because it just won't do it justice. I mean, however, I'm going to have music over this. I'm going to have my music playing because I can't take from what the artist created. I don't want to ruin the experience for anyone that's watching this. So I'm only giving you a glimpse of what's actually in the exhibit. So check out the experience at Artechouse. I hope you enjoy it. Go to DC or Miami and check out the other installments, or even come here and experience it for yourself, because of course you're not going to get the full experience here. Let's check it out. stickers, Batman. Sheesh. Alright, so boom. On the exit, right? They got this little store with a bunch of merch. And I purchased me a little hoodie and some stickers that I already put up on some stuff. So I ain't going to even show you the stickers. But look at my hoodie, you guys. See, Artechouse. Boom. So yeah, got cool stuff in there. Hats, fanny packs. Go check it out. Well, guys, that wraps it up for this video. I hope you got a good idea of what to expect if you ever come to visit. The exhibit does not stay open all year round. I think it's closing in like the last week of February. So y'all could go check out the website, which has all the info I just shared and more. I'll be putting that in the description box, so go check that out. Oh yeah, and in the description box is also my affiliate link. I think I should start mentioning that because like I'm a YouTuber. I'm supposed to be making money out here, you know? So yeah, I got an affiliate link to Curl Bible. And I'm going to actually make a little video on that. But you could go check out the website right now and see what type of products they got. And use my discount code Dutchie23. Yeah. Oh yeah. I did that. Hey. Either way, I'm going to leave you guys with this. Any accomplishment is a big deal. Big or small, it's an accomplishment. So pat yourself on the back and say you did it. Be proud of you first before expecting it from someone else. Peace, love, and prosperity. One love, guys. Later.